Google has already had APIs that allow developers to integrate with their offerings. Those are called the Google G-Data or the Google Data APIs. What was announced today by Salesforce.com was their toolkit, which takes the Google Data APIs and makes it very easy from within Salesforce.com's programming environment to call those Google services. A developer could have done it on his own, but what Salesforce.com did was make it very simple with literally 5 lines of code. You saw all those demos this morning. And so for those Apex developers, they're able now to call into those Google data centers, Google Calendar, Google Docs and Spreadsheets, Google Blogger, YouTube, many of the other Google services, and just integrate them right into their apps. We think that's very exciting. The developer certainly could have used Eclipse, done much of the work himself. Salesforce.com took that process and just made it dramatically simple, integrating their native objects right with that toolkit to call the Google services. So they literally simplified the task so that it's, to be honest, it's almost trivial to go write a few lines of code and to get that level of it done. What Salesforce.com did was they built a toolkit that made it trivial to go integrate those APIs into the Salesforce.com environment. All public APIs available for anyone. And so we are very committed to open protocols, open standards. And for the class of developers that work in the enterprise that build these applications on top of Salesforce.com's platform, they for the first time now have a very easy way programmatically to tap into Google's services. That is very exciting. And if you ask those developers, I think they'll tell you how excited they are. You saw some of the demos today, some of the capabilities that are so easily possible now because of our code. As these clouds of computers have standardized interfaces to them, then we start to see this magic where ISVs building on Salesforce.com's platform without any discussion with Google can now tap into Google's cloud and build the kind of exciting demo you saw today. Through those G-Data APIs to the Force.com toolkit that was announced today, you can go do this on your own without any kind of agreements from Google, and you can really just go innovate. You can stitch together Amazon services, Google App Engine, Salesforce.com. Some of these toolkits, like the one announced today, make it dramatically easy. And the first one we've done that with is with Salesforce.com. But we're open to anybody that wants to do things in an open way, including Amazon, Facebook, anybody.